أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مؤمنين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today I'm going to talk about an important amal in asking for fulfilling our hajat from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's taken from the two names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum. So whoever is looking to fulfill his legitimate wishes and hajat from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should say and or recite 3,816 times Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. So I will pronounce it again, Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. So it's very effective, but there are a number of things that we need to remember and know about this amal. Number one, whenever we are trying to do this amal, we should have wuzu, proper wuzu and taharat, and we should sit facing the qibla in a place where we could not be disturbed by anybody, in a kind of solitary place. And also, it is to be noted that when somebody is doing it, he or she should have a full conviction and yaqeen that this would have effect by the will and command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in attaining their legitimate and jaiz hajat and desires, etc. So because these are two glorified names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, their continuous recitation and qira'at would revive the heart of a person and would strengthen his spirituality and his iman as well. So please, whoever is doing it, please remember me in your duas as well. Thank you. Mohtaje Dua. I am Noorul Hasan. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.